Team mar Nondies RFC joloch tuke mag rugby tielo mar Eldoret Sevens mano bagia lap ma Eldoret Sports Club.
Nondies noloyo start mo lose points apagario kumabirio e tielo mar finals.
Team mar USIS noloyo e division mar ario banglo team mar Mo University points pario kod achiel kuma pago chiko.
Team mar rugby mar KCB RFC otike thuolo mar abich.
Team bebiro timo ikruok mar gene tielo mogik mag Kabereri Sevens bebiro bagia lap ma RFUEA grounds Bure Nairobi.
What we've done, we just went back to the drawing board, asked the boys some hard, tough questions, and I think they answered. So yeah, there's a lot of hard work that went into it, and the boys believe in themselves, so that's fantastic for them.
On this, yes, we've met twice this season, and we've won both our games, but we won't take anything away from them. For starters, Nondies is the only team that hasn't lost a game here in TSAP. All the other teams lost. We lost to Quea. All the other teams have lost a game, but Nondies is the only team that has gone unbeaten. So they know they've done their homework well, but not taking anything away from my boys. They are ready. They always love the final.